I'm going to show you a tool that you can use to quickly create Google Forms from Google Docs that you've already created or Microsoft Word files that you've created. To create a new form, you can pretty quickly type in form.new to the Omnibox and it will pull up a brand new Google form. So go to the three dots, get add-ons, and click on FormBuilder. You don't need FormBuilder Plus, just FormBuilder. And then you'll click on this that says install probably. Once it's installed, you'll go back to the puzzle piece and click add-ons and FormBuilder. Then you'll click start. It will bring up this dialog box on the right-hand side of your screen. And it asks you if you want to take information from other Google Forms, Google Sheets, Google Docs, Slides, or something in your Google Drive. I already have a piece of paper that I have my questions on, and they need to be in this format. So if you've got it any way that doesn't look like this, you need to change them so that it looks like this. You don't have to have individual numbers for the questions. That doesn't matter. But the answers do have to be in ABCD format. So I've got 4 answers here. I'm going to highlight them and then come over here to the numbered list menu and then select that. And we're good to go. It doesn't matter that they've got periods instead of parentheses. I will come back here and choose Google Docs. Since I recently had the personal finance piece of paper open, it should find that fairly easily. If it doesn't pull up the thing you want, you should be able to search for it here. I'm going to double click on this one. And then the dialog box should start reading it. You notice here, there are a couple of things before that first question about Gigi. I'll go back and look. And I don't want these to be questions. So I'm going to uncheck those two. And I want this to have a number, so I can actually click there and add a number to that. And you can see that it's got the 6 questions. And I will click Import Now. This would allow you to edit the question. This one says Import. These are all multiple choice. You could change that if you want, but I'm good with multiple choice. So I click Import Now. This question that was generated by the form, I will just delete. You do need to go in, because this is a quiz, to the answer key, put in the point value, and select the correct answer. And you'll need to do that for each one of them. You would probably also want to have a couple of questions to help identify the student. And you might ask what class period they're from. It's got the questions that we want. You can see that the number didn't really matter because none of the question numbers appeared anyhow. You can click and drag where those dots are to reorder the questions. You'd want to put a name on the form that students will see. This is the name of the file, and they won't see that. They can be the same thing if you would like. And then this will be a self-graded quiz or test once you do it. There's been a recent update to FormBuilder, which is why I'm mentioning again. It used to be fairly limited in how many questions per month you could ask. Now they have expanded their number up to 200. So you can import 200 questions a month from files into a Google form. And I don't know how many of you give 200 questions worth of assessments a month to your students, but this should be enough to cover that. Hopefully you find this to be something you can use in your classroom.